This is the last video for the questionnaire. Once we have added the class schedule, the next thing WizEd will need to know is when your major components, such as tests, quizzes, and homework, are due. You will need your class syllabus for this section. Start by identifying the percentage for each component that will make up the grade for each class. If the percentage is not known, estimate the value based on the total number of components that are part of your class syllabus, or ask your professor. These percentages are not used in the academic plan calculation. They are part of the grade calculator, which is optional. If there is a component that is not listed here, you can enter it under Others. Once you have filled in all applicable fields, hit Update. Now you will see tabs below with the components you have identified. For example, for each test, select the date the tests are due. If you pick a day for the component that does not match the day the class is scheduled for, WizEd will alert you. If you selected the correct date, you can proceed with adding it to the schedule. Do this for each of the components and for each class. We are at the final step in the questionnaire, the Academic Performance and Time Calculator. Here, you will tell WizEd what techniques you prefer to use for studying. WizEd prefers and recommends that you attend all class lectures, study lecture notes the same day as the class, read all assigned reading, and complete homework as soon as possible. These are techniques that have proven to be very effective. If you indicate that you have a paper, project, or presentation due for your class, you are given the option to visit with your teacher. Doing so will give you the opportunity to get feedback about the assignment and improve your work prior to submitting the assignment. The final three options are group study after lecture, review and study notes before tests, and group study before tests. These are techniques recommended by WizEd, which you can select based on what you prefer to do. Now click Submit Changes and check the predicted performance for the class and the predicted costs per week. The goal here is to maximize the score and minimize the hours. Feel free to adjust the options until you're satisfied with the calculated results. WizEd suggests that you work to calculate a predicted performance of 100 or at least close to 100 for each class. Fill in this page for each class, and when done, click Go to Academic Plan. This concludes our training videos for the questionnaire. Feel free to view our other videos, which will explain the 4 other features of our WizEd software. We hope you enjoy using WizEd, your guide to academic success.